this, I'm just putting this in the NutriBullet to get it shredded a little bit. So that's a tomato, and then I'm adding okra. I'm adding some okra. So get a few okra out. Put that in there also. And just a little bit of water. Just a little bit of water. Just quickly like that. I don't want them all the way mashed out. So you see we still have chunks in there. So these will be going right here in the pot. So see, the stove is ready. So just go ahead and also I'm putting a little bit of so you see this is quinoa. Adding a little bit of quinoa in it. So see, just adding a little bit of this. Let's cover this up for a little. Turn the stove down. Put it on simmer so it'll simmer down. And I'll give that 20 minutes. So you see it's all cooked now. So what I like to do is put a little bit of noodles in it. So see, I have the noodles right here. So let's put the noodles in there. So the stove is off, it's done cooking, right? So just put the noodles in it and they'll just the leftover heat will cook them. So just that leftover heat will cook them. So the stove is off. I'll give that about 10 minutes and then we'll come and cut this up here. Slice this avocado up and dice it up to make to make like guacamole almost, but not that crushed out, because I'm gonna use all of this to make a filling for a burrito. We're gonna put it in a wrap just for us to make some wraps. So stay tuned, guys. So I'm just slicing this up real fine and then scoop it out after. You could take it out before, you could scoop it out before and then slice it also. I do it both ways. What I find is that it's a little bit easier to slice it in the still in the skin, because it holds together while you're cutting it. But if it's out already, it's just a little more work to get it how you would want it. So there we go, I have this. So just scoop them out.
A bowl of bread in my belly. A bowl of bread in my tummy. A bowl of bread in my belly. And me alone and yam my bola. Me alone and yam my bola. Walking in the kitchen and smell something. I want that looks
So I'll give those about 2-3 minutes and then they'll be ready. And here we have our other quinoa with the okra, see? Make it pasty. So that's that part of it. That's the sauce, and then we have those getting ready. They're just warming up just a little bit.
Coming from the grave, coming from the grave, coming from the grave.
There it is, guys. See how that looks? So just wrap it up and good to go. So there it is, guys. All ready to go. So see y'all in the next one. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel. If you haven't subscribed, share the video. Make a comment below if you tried this before or any recipes you have. I could check it out. Comment below, and other people they'll check it out also. So see y'all in the next one. Love and peace.
Made it, oh made it, made it.